Hey there! Are you looking for a way to make extra income without quitting your 9 to 5? Side hustles are the perfect solution. In this video, I'll share 11 of the best side hustle ideas that you can start in 2024. The cost of living is going through the roof. I mean, have you seen the price of eggs lately? It's insane! But the good news is, you don't have to be stuck in the rat race. There are more ways than ever to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Let's get started. Number 1, freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Second, online tutoring. Are you a math whiz? A grammar guru? Maybe you're fluent in another language. Platforms like VIPKid or TutorMe allow you to teach students from the comfort of your home. Plus, you get the satisfaction of helping others while earning some serious side income. Number 3, print on demand. Design custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it, using platforms like Printful or Teespring. The platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. Fourth, dropshipping. Ever dreamed of starting your own online store? With dropshipping, you can do just that, without stocking any products. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easier than ever to set up shop. Number 5, pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or Wag let you turn your passion for pets into a lucrative side hustle. Sixth, content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a podcast, sharing your knowledge or experiences can grow into a profitable venture. The key here is to find your niche, create high-quality content, and be patient. Number 7, social media management. If you're a social media whiz, offer your services to manage and grow business accounts. Number 8, becoming a virtual assistant. Help businesses with administrative tasks like scheduling, emails, and customer support, all from home. Number 9, photography. Do you have a good eye for composition and a passion for capturing stunning images? Turn your photography hobby into a profitable side hustle. Sell your photos online through stock photo websites or offer photography services for events. Number 10, selling handmade crafts. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling your handmade crafts to a global audience. Turn your passion for crafting into a profitable side hustle and share your unique creations with the world. Finally, number 11, rideshare or delivery services. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart let you earn money on your own schedule by driving people or delivering food. It's a great way to supplement your income, especially if you enjoy driving and meeting new people. And there you have it, 11 side hustle ideas that can help you make extra cash in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, the best side hustle for you is the one that aligns with your skills, interests, and income goals. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your side hustle journey.